What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best hoverboards for in 2021 in this video. No product price, any question, more products information from link in the description. We are update on best prices for the best products. So like, comment this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now let's get starting. Number 5 XPRIT 8.5 Allterrain Off-Road Hoverboard with Bluetooth speaker, LED lights, UL 2272 certified. Equipped with wireless Bluetooth function and 8.5-inch threaded tires allows a smooth ride over gravel and sandy terrain. You can even ride uphill up to a 15-degree slope. The Hummer hoverboard has bright white front LEDs that help ensure a safer ride and is unique with its high-strength lightweight ABS bumper panels that prevent from rolling. The XPRIT 8.5-inch Allterrain hoverboard has been UL certified and each board comes with a hologram certificate stating that it has passed UL 2272 certification. Non-slip sturdy rubber threaded tires ensure lasting smooth rides in your outdoor adventures. Enjoy your free time riding outdoors with friends and family. Check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4 Hover One Dream Hoverboard Electric Scooter Light Up LED Wheels, Jet Black, 25x9x9. The Hover One Dream Hoverboard provides a convenient, stylish, and exciting form of transportation. The Hover One Dream includes an ultra-safe and reliable UL certified battery and an easy-to-use charger. Cruise around on the most stylish hoverboard on the market. With color-changing LED lights and light-up LED wheel, your hoverboard will provide endless fun for you, your friends and your family. With a top speed of 7 miles per hour, you can ride your Hover One Dream anytime, anywhere. Non-slip rubber foot pads, ultra-bright color-changing LED lights, light-up LED wheels. Battery life indicator, MSDS and UN38. 3 tested, UL 2272 certified, UL certified power adapter. 2x200 watts motor, max distance, 6 miles, max speed, 7 miles per hour, max weight, 220 pounds, max incline climb, 10 degrees. Charge time, up to 4 hours. Battery type, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion 25.2 volts/4.0 Ah. Charging output, 29.4 volts/1A. Hover One, the most trusted hoverboard. Check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3 SISIGAD Hoverboard, with Bluetooth and colorful lights self-balancing scooter. Shipped from US, all SISIGAD hoverboards have passed strict electrical test and meet UL 2272 standards to ensure safety. Any issue, just feel free to contact us. Unique LED and Bluetooth, built-in wireless speaker can be easily connected to portable devices in second. Just enjoy your favorite music or books without wearing headphones. Self-balancing control system, full of technology and easy to learn for beginners and amateurs. Li-ion batteries, dual hub motors, quick charging and longer using time. Smooth rides, 6.5 inches wheels with high-quality rubber tires and comfortable foot pedals, provide smooth riding experience. Perfect gift, specially designed for beginners, amateurs, office workers, dog and cat walkers. Free your feet, new way for transportation. So have fun with your family and friends. Check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2 Hover One Chrome Electric Hoverboard Scooter. Light up the sidewalk. There's no danger of this hoverboard going unseen. The Hover One Chrome has lights to spare. Let's start with the LED headlights. Then the ultra-bright color-changing LED wheel lights. And the final touch is a strip of red LED lights over the rims. To add to the visual effect is the crisp, clean sound coming out of the built-in Bluetooth speaker. It's time to outshine the competition. Built-in Bluetooth speaker pairs with your mobile device to play music while you glide. Ultra-bright LED headlights with battery indicator. 150 watts motor, battery capacity, 24 volts, 4.0 Ah, with overcharge and discharge protection. 6.5 inches tire wheels, a convenient and stable form of transportation. IPX4 water resistance, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. At last, number 1 TOMOLOO Music Rhythmed Hoverboard for Kids and Adult 2-Wheel Self-Balancing Scooter UL 2272 certificated with music speaker, colorful RGB LED light. International highest safety standards, UL 2272 certified of hoverboard and MSDS UN 38.3 and UL 2271 safety of battery. We provide international highest safety standards reports. The material and manufacturing process of the shell is similar to those of iPhone shell, which is with the features of high temperature resistance and fire retardance, as well as high strength and toughness. Bluetooth 4.0 technology and seamless integrated cavity design provide stereo surround sound. Awesome RGB LED design to present you with colorful lighting when riding. 12 months warranty, 100% satisfying guaranteed, 1-year warranty for wheel hub motor, controller and battery, half a year warranty for charger from the date of purchase. Please scroll down to product guides and documents in the product details section to download the user manual, PDF. Any issue, just feel free to contact us. Check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.